Ever feel like you're losing a small part of your Bitcoin with every transaction? You send some BTC, but a tiny fraction vanishes into the digital ether, a fee for the network. It's an essential part of how the blockchain works, but what if you could control that fee? What if you could decide whether your transaction gets prioritized for a fast confirmation or if you're willing to wait a bit longer to save a few satoshis? For many, Bitcoin wallets offer a one-size-fits-all approach to transaction fees, automatically calculating and applying a fee based on the current network conditions. This is convenient, but it takes away your control. For some transactions, a high fee is justified, a time-sensitive payment, a trade on an exchange, or a critical transfer. For others, like sending funds to your own cold storage or making a small payment to a friend, a lower fee might be perfectly acceptable. You're not in a rush, and every Satoshi saved is a Satoshi earned. Today, we're diving into a feature on Bitwala that gives you that control back. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference in how you manage your Bitcoin. We're going to walk through how to manually adjust your transaction fees on the Bitwala app, ensuring you're always in the driver's seat. Before we get to the how-to, let's quickly recap what these fees actually are. Every Bitcoin transaction you make needs to be confirmed by miners on the network. These miners are essentially the record keepers, verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. The fee you pay is a reward to these miners for their work. The higher the fee, the more attractive your transaction is to a miner, and the more likely it is to be included in the next block. When the network is busy, fees can skyrocket as everyone competes for a spot. Conversely, when the network is quiet, fees can be incredibly low. So, how do you take control of this on Bitwala? The process is surprisingly straightforward. First, you'll open your Bitwala app and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Once you're ready to send a transaction, you'll enter the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send, just as you normally would. Here's where the magic happens. After entering the details, you'll see a screen that shows you the transaction summary, including the network fee. Most wallets just show this as a final number. Bitwala, however, gives you an option to change it. Look for a small gear icon or a change fee button. Tapping this will open up a new menu with several fee options. Bitwala will typically offer you a few presets: a low fee, a medium or standard fee, and a high or priority fee. Each of these will give you an estimated confirmation time. The low fee might take several hours or even a day to confirm, the medium fee might take an hour or two, and the high fee could be confirmed in the next block, often within minutes. This is your moment to choose. If you're not in a hurry, select the low option. You'll see the network fee decrease significantly, and you'll save some money. If you need the transaction to go through quickly, choose high. Bitwala also often provides a custom option where you can manually set the Satoshi per byte rate, giving you granular control. Once you've made your selection, simply confirm the transaction. You'll now have the peace of mind that you're not overpaying for network fees and that you have full control over your Bitcoin. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.